Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 2nd of November. The euro plummeted yesterday as Greece's unexpected announcement for a referendum on the second bailout deal troubles the world markets. Risk aversion in the market is heightened on fears about a rejection of the EU rescue deal and the risk of a Greek default. World equities dropped, and against the dollar, the single currency fell to a three-week low at 136.08 from 138.70, a decline of 1.9%. Versus the Japanese yen, the euro edged as low as 106.49 from 108.50. Attention now shifts to the G20 leaders and the summit on November 3rd to 4th. The US dollar edged higher yesterday as uncertainty in the financial market spurred demand for the safe haven currency. Versus the Swiss franc, the greenback rose to 0.8835 from 0.8567. Today, investors will be focusing on the Federal Reserve interest rate meeting and Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke's press conference at 18:15 GMT. No change in the monetary policy is expected, but any signs about the central bank's stance on the third round of quantitative easing will be closely watched. ADP employment change is also expected today, and there may be an indication for Friday's non-farm payrolls data. The British pound declined yesterday after PMI manufacturing revealed lower than expected figures in October, the lowest actually in 2 years. Sterling fell after the data on concerns about the country's slow growth and fears that the economy may fall back into recession. Gross domestic product was also revealed, and data showed the economy expanded by 0.5% in the third quarter, higher than expectations of a 0.3% decline, but it failed to support the sterling. Versus the greenback, the pound slid as low as 158.90 from 160.92. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices edge higher today, rising to $92.73 a barrel from $89.16. Gold fell to $1,681.10 an ounce today from $1,723.98, but later it rebounded to $1,727.91. Silver dropped to $32.10 an ounce today from $34.70. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro dollar pivot points at 138 with a preference to enter into short positions at 138. The dollar yen pivot points at 79 with a preference to enter into short positions at 79. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 104.35 with a preference to enter into short positions at 104.35. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 160.35 with a preference to enter into short positions at 160.35. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 101 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101. And let's look at now at the commodities. The oil pivot point is at 92.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 92.25. The gold pivot point is at 1704 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1704. And the silver pivot point is at 32.65 with a preference to enter into long positions at 32.65. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. And on the calendar, the market movers are US ADP employment change in October forecast to rise to 101,000, and US Fed interest rate decision forecast to leave rates unchanged at 0.25%. Now on to equities. In Europe they were negative, with the FTSE down 2.21%, the DAX was down 5%, and the CAC was down 5.38%. In the US they were also negative, with the SP 500 down 2.79%, and the Dow was down 2.48%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 2.21% and the Hang Seng was up 0.60%. Been your daily outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.